how to invite friends on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends on Temu. So in order to invite friends on Temu, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you'll have to go ahead and log in into your Temu account. Once you're logged into your Temu account, that's going to direct you to the home page. So if you invite 12 friends on Temu, you'll get a free product. And similarly, to invite a friend, and likewise to invite a friend on Temu, you need to go ahead and tap on the U icon. Over here, you'll be able to see an option as refer code and earn free gifts whatsoever. In my case, I have fish lens, so just go ahead and tap on it. After you've done that, that's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and tap on confirm and whatsoever. And then you need to just invite people by entering the phone number and email address, and that's how you can invite friends on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.